You can change your sound processor settings with the remote assistant. From the home screen, press the Cochlear button to go to the status screen. Press the upper left soft key to access the sound processor settings menu. You can lock and unlock your processor buttons, adjust your telecoil to microphone mixing ratio, adjust your accessory to microphone mixing ratio, switch on and off your processor's sound indicator light, switch on and off your processor's key press and alarm indicator light. Enable and disable your processor's private tones. Enable and disable the zoom microphone setting. You can reset your processor's settings to the values set by your clinician and view your processor information. Press the Cochlear button to return to the home screen. Please refer to your user guide for explanation.